Hey, Russ Whitney here, answering your real estate investment questions. Remember, that's not all we do. We have a business scaling business on how to get into a small income producing business, sales, communication techniques, a rounded business training program, and we do a lot of free info too. Go to russwhitney.com and start hunting around on there. Go to the income opportunities, go to the projects page. I think you'll find some great info there. Okay, getting a mortgage for an investment property. I'm ready to buy my first investment property, but I'm a little confused about the mortgage situation. I am looking to buy a single family home to rent out. Can I get a regular mortgage, or do I have to get an investment mortgage? Well, of course you would, unless it's a second home. I was pre-approved for an investment mortgage, but it's 5.5, so it seems high to me. I can get a traditional mortgage much cheaper. I'm not looking to commit fraud. Good. But can I get a regular mortgage? First of all, I'm going to suggest you don't go looking for a single family homes. You know, while you get it fixed up and you have a vacancy, you're 100% vacant. Look for a duplex, triplex, or a 4-unit building. In a fourplex, you're vacant, you have one vacancy, you're only 25% vacant. You still have cash flow coming in. Smartest, less risky way to start. I would look for seller financing. Look for something cosmetically distressed that you're going to buy for 20 or 30% below value, because there's a logical reason the seller will sell it below value, because it needs work. I mean, this can be done any day in any city or town in the U.S. every single day of the week. Listen, 5.5% interest is not high necessarily. If you're a homeowner looking for 20% down and the bank to finance, that's one. However, 5.5% interest. Let's take a fourplex. You add up the rents, you deduct the expenses, including the mortgage payment. You're looking for a 20% return on the money. Okay. If I can return 20% just on the cash, there's still 4 more returns in real estate, which you'll learn about at russwhitney.com. I don't have time for that here. But if I can return just 20, who cares if I'm paying 5.5? I'm making 15% on the money. Plus, I got a property that's appreciating. I got renters that are paying the mortgage down, so I'm building equity, and I get a tax shelter. I shelter income from my job or other sources of revenue. So go to russwhitney.com, get some info. Another thing I recommend, Building Wealth. This book is the longest selling real estate book in probably bookstore history. It's been updated numbers and numbers of times. It's published by Simon & Schuster, the largest publisher in the world. Write to support at russwhitney.com. I'll send you one free. You pay the $6 shipping and handling. Hope that answers your question, kids.